Good morning, welcome everyone. Hey, good evening guys, good afternoon. Welcome community, how you doing? Happy Tuesday times. Welcome chat. What's up everyone? How is your week? Welcome guys, great to see you. Great to have you on board. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys. $125,000 in giveaways today. Make sure to sign up, guys. Like the video, come on. Let's see what we can do. This is day number 10 for our YRM account. 150k instant funded. Day number 10, we only need to do 150 bucks and we're ready to fly on a payout. Well, that's the thing. Only gotta do 150 bucks on this account and we're ready to secure the payout. Right, so I'm into micros. And I'll try and achieve that from the micros. Good morning, welcome everyone. Hey. Yeah. It is ready. Let me just share the presentation with all the members. Volume is weak, and that's no surprise. It's actually missing, so the price action is different. Yeah, we gotta play safe today, as usually, which means making money. That's the safe way. We got a nice image once again generated. Full of cash and gold, trying to trade, having a good time on the green tea. Getting ready for the stream. Look at that one. That's a beast. Thank you, buddy. You gotta generate something for the Christmas time. Huh. Look at that one, guys. Today's low. Very likely to be touched again. Thinking about testing a little short here. We need 150 bucks, guys, and we have secured the payout for the YRM account, 150k. Instant funded. Yeah, trading the micros. Make sure to like the video, come on. Let's get this one down into 67. Down into 67, give me that rejection we're hunting here. 3 more contracts. Give me that rejection, we are... We got some news around the GDP coming out in 2 minutes. We'll see what that. You're looking for a long here. Potential double bottom. But the question is about the today's low representation here. If we're capable of generating another wick into today's low, or simply not. Simply that was it. Double bottom and then back to the daily opening, 700s. We'll see. We will actually discover that. You should be able to receive a verification if everything is fine on your end. On our end, everything's good. Thank you guys for joining. Come on. Give me that little movement. Little movement. News coming out. News coming out. Market spiking a little bit here. But you gotta pay attention, there is no volume. I'm gonna short this movement on my
order filled.
Lucid Direct. Look at that one. Target has been touched, $157 profit. There you go, guys. Congratulations. This is day number 10. We just qualified for the payout. It has been secured, day number 10 right there for the YRM. Time to celebrate. Boom. Time to celebrate. This is the first payout I'm taking from the YRM. Stop loss on break even here. First payout I'm taking, 150 grand instant funding accounts. We are ready to fly. Oh my god, $2,500. There you go, guys. 10 days of 150 bucks. That's the only thing you need. Instant funding accounts. Biggest discount, Scramble coupon code gives you 50% instead of 40 like they give you. Which means 450 bucks for the account. And you only need 10 days of 150 bucks each minimum. No payout target, so you don't need to do on this accounts 5% or 6%. Even at 2%, you can take your payout if you have 10 days of 150 bucks each. Think about it. It's just crazy, guys. Instant funding accounts. Take the account, trade it under 20% consistency, maximum 3 funded, active. Copy trading right there on Volumetrica. Absolutely lovely. I'm out of this here.
Order
Let me
filled.
just take that 150 bucks because this is big chances of markets moving through my movement. Let me just look into the stats, guys. We are ready for the account. We are ready for the account to request the payout. Look at that one. This is exactly the account we're talking about. So this is the first day. We have 2 more here. That's 3 days. Right? And then we have after that 7. We should have 7 days here. 2 and 5. There you go. In the last 3 days, we only made the minimum. So that was the way we handled the risk management to generate sufficient way before. Day number 6 was extremely important, making that $1,000 there. Taking us very, very close to the, you know, we made here 155,269. But I could have cashed out even at 153, which is just 2%, for example, or even less, guys. The instant funding accounts here are the biggest deals. You also have the evaluation sitting on 44 bucks right now with my code. But that's just beautiful, guys. Beautiful out there with the YRM. Feels great, guys. Feels great. We just qualified for the payout. We are on fire. Huge and exciting times. $4.3, much higher than expected on the GDP side. Look at that. Ho ho! 4.3, Much higher than expected. Yeah, those are funded accounts. YRM. On Tap 1 Futures, it works. If you use Scramble coupon code, let's just test it out. It should be fine. We can test it out. For example, on this account, on Tap 1 Futures, just... let me see. The promo is right now 50%. Scramble coupon code. Yeah. You actually get more than 50. Probably 55 right now. Probably 55%, guys. Scramble coupon code works. Oh, look at a big drop. Look at that one, guys. Our GDP market is dropping. Yeah. We made a new low. We've got a weekly opening, 635. And that would be an interesting case. Something I'm gonna long on my other account, which is day number 8 or 9. We'll have to see. This one. $635. Buy limit. A lot of the buy limits there. 635. 3 contracts. 34. Another contract. 32, another contract. And 30, another contract. Come on, bring it down. Just a little more. $57. You gotta see what's the current promotion for the Tap 1 futures. Lucid is 40% off. Lucid is 40% off. Did we just got this one filled? We've got some filled up on YRM, the next account, which is also pretty close to the payout, by the way. This one is also pretty close to the payout. This account too. Come on. Fill it up, guys. Good morning, guys. 60. Let me just put it out there. Put it out there for everyone. Look at that. YRM $2,500 payout secured today, guys. Pretty exciting for that one. Lovely. 5 contracts have been filled up. We're actually smashing through everything right now.
Order filled.
We broke below the weekly opening quite aggressively. Look at that one, guys. What a drop. Yeah, we got stopped out here, 1,300. Didn't have much drawdown left on this 3 accounts, unfortunately. But the one that I'm really a bit concerned here will be on this side. Yeah, possibly. Last week's high, 600s. But you guys, make sure to like the video. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord if you want to be part of the giveaways. Join in Discord, guys. YRM payout has been secured. And that's just the name of the business today. Bring it up, guys. Come on. We have DC'd into the depth of the candle. You know, we will sell some along the way. Looks pretty good as a local low. I'm gonna long on my Ignite too.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And I'd like to
order filled.
Long
Order
my trade
filled.
a bit tap on
Order
futures
filled.
account.
Order filled.
Right. We got the needed exposure. Come on. Stop loss and break even here for the tap one. Let's go. Let's go with that one. Some more targets have been hit. Stop loss on break even. Letting the rest open. Letting the rest open here. 2 more to be filled up. $400 here. We already have 247, so we basically just touched the whole target. 253 profit, guys. We touched the whole target. 253 profit. Look at that one. Let's have a look into the number of days. 253 profit here. I'm happy about it. Let me open up my Quant Tower. About to hit a target over here. I'm gonna trail.
Order filled.
And the target has been hit on the Ignite account, $500 as well. Our trade of 8 is $1,000 in profit, and that's lovely. But very important here, 253 on this account, which is also pretty close to the payout. Let me show you that. And the celebration time starts, obviously. Hitting the targets back and forth. Trading is hard. Boom. But it certainly has some nice possibilities. Look at that. So let's just do the math. Let's just do the math, guys. Make sure to like the videos, guys. Come on. 1,000, that's the first day. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth day. On the 1,000 is the sixth day. And then we have 3 more, right? 7, 8, 9. This was day number 9. This was day number 9. So we basically need a single day tomorrow, and we could actually qualify for another $2,500 payout. Look at that one, guys. One more day for another YRM 150k, $2,500 payout here. Well, for my consistency, 1,015. 1,015 is my highest day. Considering there is a 20% consistency, I need 5,075. And I have 4,361, so I would still need around $700 because of the consistency. You know, you don't $100 is the buffer for the YRM. Well, it's a different timing and a different market structure for the daytime. I wouldn't say I'm concerned about the daytime capability to deliver, but certainly there is a difference right there. Yes, the buffer is just $100. That's the only thing, $100. I mean, with the instant funding account, you do 2,600, you can take out 2,500 if that's what you want. Yeah. YRM is top level, guys. YRM is top level. Boom. We're celebrating, guys. We're celebrating. $2,500 has been secured. And let me tell you something. Day number 9 has been secured as well on an account. The one that is not in a good shape is this one, which is only having $1,300 distance to the max loss. It has a couple of days of trading there, $1,300 to the max loss. But we're taking out 5 grand and we can deal with it, right? I'm gonna long this, guys. I think the market continues. And I'm adding to my trade of 8 too.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna long some of my Ignite over here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. For some reason we're on micros here.
Order filled.
And that's pretty slow.
Filled. Order filled.
Not really a fan of micros. I like to trade in minis. Merry Christmas. Yeah. They have instant funding. They also have the challenges. $44 with my code. That's also lovely.
Order filled.
Hope we get to see a reaction here. No. And a continuation of that. In the meantime, I still have to trade my Lucid Flex account, this one, which is day number 4. It needs today and tomorrow. And we're good to go for the payout. Today and tomorrow. $250 on 2 more days. That's all it needs. $250 for 2 more days, and we're taking max payout for the Lucid Flex. Yes, we have a review video on my channel. You can look into that. We have a payout rules. We have a lot of the things for the YRM. Thank you guys. Come on. $250. It's the only thing we need here. This is Quant Hour for Lucid Flex. This would be day number 4. We need 5 days of $250 minimum. We actually made 7,000. And the target has been hit, $279. Obviously, that's a really important point to celebrate because it's the number 4th day. 1 more day needed here, and we're going max payout for the Lucid, 150k. Boom. Lucid Flex. That's just crazy. That's just crazy, guys, with a Lucid. That's just crazy, guys. That's a big one. $100 is the buffer. $100. Keep it strong, guys. Come on. Keep it strong. This is an interesting level here where markets could advance into breaking the 40s. Come on. Yeah. $100. No one on live. No one on live. We only started working with YRM for about 2 or 3 weeks, and you need at least 4 payouts, which means 2 months. Yeah. No buffer, it's just $100 needed.
Order
Adding
filled.
a little to this. for the trade of 8.
Order filled.
We're holding at this point for a moment. Let me try to connect to my Savius as well. I put always my stop loss based on the price action movement. I use stop losses, but I'm setting them based on how does the price action behaves real time. No payout denial. Order failed. I don't think you get that order filled on Volumetrica. You get it on Trade of 8. This one here. Look at that one.
Order filled.
We have a pretty tight stop loss set. We also have stop losses set from the settings, right? You need a minimum 4 payouts per account, not totally as a trader. Minimum 4 payouts per account, not per trader. Yeah, Project X still works for tap on futures. We don't need that high of a target. This one, 544, 646, come on. Give me that, guys. We're gonna leave a runner here all the way to 670s on Trade of 8. Not valid for Trade Define Lucid. Each prop firm has their rules. Differently set up, right? So depends on the plan, depends on the model, depends on a lot of things. But we got into a trade here for my $300,000 account for Savius. We're trading it on Quantower. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways and also join our Discord. Like the video. Be subscribed on the channel. 15 minis. Long. 300k accounts, 15 minutes long. Let's just do that 3 grand. That's my target here. We got 5 accounts of 300k. Rules at Savius, 5% is your target, basically. $5% is your target. I can show you a little more on that.
Order filled.
We have a daily loss limit, which is a hard breach. Oh. That was a big drop. 6 grand. That's a little too much, guys. Look at that one. Ho ho. I think we also got stopped out here. 1,000. Yeah. We got stopped out there. That's a little too big. Oh my gosh. What a big drop we got out there. back to this point. That's the disadvantage of the markets today. We also got stopped out here. Setting my copy trader, we've got basically 5 accounts of 50k valuation for the YRM. Where we made 2 grand. Yeah. That was crazy, guys. Totally unexpected. These are 5 accounts that we bought evaluations at YRM. You can trade evaluations even if you have funded accounts, but you cannot activate if you have more than 3 active funded, right? So you have to pause them. Even if you pass the challenge, you gotta pause them if you already have 3 funded. Could be an interesting level here of reaction. It's 3 max funded. Yeah. Probably that's how they call it. But I'm ready, DC'd into a long here. And we passed this 5 challenge accounts by hitting that target there. And that's a great celebration moment. I'll take all this 5 on pause. They call that fat finger, and we just got knocked out by a fat finger on that account. Stopped out. This is 50% consistency, so it's 2-day pass. You know, it's no activation fee, 44 bucks with my code for the YRM, what I'm trading here. So if you have funded, it doesn't mean you cannot trade challenges. Yes, you can trade challenges. The thing is, if you have maxed out your 3 funded, you have to put the ones you passed on challenge on pause till you have room for more funded. If you want to trade that way. But a lot of the people go obviously into the instant funding sector, which is something I also do. Yet I bought this extra 5 evaluations for having a great time and see if I can challenge myself and see if I can pass a challenge like that by doing copy trading on 5 accounts. The copy trader is integrated on Volumetrica platform. Right, so Volumetrica has a copy trader integrated. That's where you activate it on. Select the parent account, select the child account, and leave it on flat, whatever else. You don't need to change anything. You gotta leave it on default. You can stack them up. Exactly. For example, if you have 3 funded of 150k instant funded, or you know, whatever value, doesn't matter. If you already have 3 funded, but you have a good promotion, you can take 10 more evaluations, take advantage of the price, and trade them. You can do copy trading on all the 10. Pass. Look at that. We're very, very close on passing the challenge on the 5 accounts. There you go, guys. We still need an extra 40 bucks. 52,960. We need an extra 40 bucks. And guess what? I'm backing along here because I'll believe in an extra money there. Look at that one, guys. I've prepared you a surprise here on Savius. I have prepared you a surprise. Does that look bad to you? What do you guys think about? 25 minis. 25 minis, $6,000 profit. Let it run. Let it run, guys. 6,525 minis. Give me 200 points right now on 25 minis. 25, come on. But this is important here, because with an extra $100, we hit a target. Let's go, guys. Come on. We're pretty close hitting the target here and passing 5 more. That's crazy. Look at that one. We just bought, you know, this 5 experimental. And I was trading them without any pressure because I had 3 funded of 150k instant funded. One of that, oh, I don't. One of that we just got to the payout today. Adding a little bit to this one. I don't want to, you know, I have a break even here, but this was an interesting trade, guys. I'm putting the stop loss there, yeah. Daily net P&L 1,000. We secured 1,000 on that. You know, not bad, but I think we might be able to secure a little more with an entry around the 600s. I'll take that all day long if we get it. All day long. Thank you. No trades here for the Quant Tower, but we did dissipate on our YRM a little bit into the wick we earlier had. You know, there is a risk of that 600s, because that's basically the last week's high. So there is a risk behind that 600s to be touched. That's why I'm not getting anything into Quant Tower this moment. I'd like to see if we go a little bit deeper. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We have $125,000 today. Adding to this, we're almost break even with the profit we made. Yeah. The thing is, the max loss here is 2,000, and I might not have enough room, basically. You know, we made 900, so it's 2,900 for me today. Yeah, weekly gap to fill for sure. Thank you. I think we made a new low today. Almost. But the last week's high are blinking around here, 600s. We do have the weekly gap for sure. It's going to be interesting around that one. Let me share with you how does the Quant Hour Savius situation looks like. We have a pretty aggressive approach here. Some of the orders are waiting. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Some of the orders are waiting. That's an interesting reaction on the 1 minute. I don't know if we deny that without taking the 40s. Yeah. We had a decent chance on 610 to give a reaction. Looks like it has been delivered. Now, this is an interesting situation to test out something here for a nice continuation. And the target has been hit, guys. We made 53,024, and that means we've hit a target. The target is on 3,000. The target is on 3,000 for the challenge. Profit target 3,000. This is what we bought. Profit target 3,000. Challenge account 44 with my code. That's just crazy. 50% consistency. Let me show you the numbers we've got, basically. Let me show you the numbers, guys. Copy trading on 5 accounts. Here you are. Look at that one. Those are the evaluations. They're copy trading it on 5 accounts. This is what we did, guys. Time to celebrate, obviously. Time to celebrate and let it fly, because that's a big achievement. Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Lovely payout secured today. Yes, you can have 3 funded and unlimited evaluations. If you pass evaluations, you have no room for funded. You keep those on pause. Yeah, that's the way it works. So I'll keep this one on pause. All the 5, I'm going to keep them on pause. I don't want to activate none of them because I'm having 2 of 150k instant funded. I like to grab another 150k instant funded. So I want to max out with the maximum size of instant funded, 150k. And then I'll leave the other 5 well, let me share with you what we have here, guys. I got to prepare you something. Stop loss and break even. We got 20 minis long again on Quant Hour Savius. 20 minis long. Well, there is a monthly charge. If you break even has been touched, you can't merge. You can't merge. There is a monthly charge if you hold them for a month, but I don't think I'm gonna hold them for a month. Let's see. Let's see, guys. You know, we gotta see, of course. But even that way, I think it's worth it. There is a big gap between 44 bucks and the 1,500 you're taking out. Just do the math. If your account is on hold, yes. So that's why it's not worth to buy maybe 20 or 10 past them, because you might have to pay for the second month for some of them, and that's not a good deal. But maybe a couple of extra to have ready as a backup solution is good if you also enjoy doing some evaluations. If not, a lot easier is to go for instant funded at a time you have room, and that's it. So, you know, it depends. But if your account is still in the evaluation stage, for more than 30 days, then you get charged for the second month. If you've lost the account or you pass the challenge, you don't get charged because you get funded and it's over. 1,475 here. Testing out a little, not a little short. I wanted to see a little short, but it's not. It's 5 minis. Interesting to see that 30s rejection capabilities. We have some fair value gap right there, which ends around 617 into that 1 minute. So we could actually revisit that. If we don't reject here, I'm cutting it. Right? If we don't reject here, I'm cutting you. We have a couple of more minutes and the market is opening. So we're up for a nice chat. We're up for a nice chat. Come on. We got 11 minutes to go. Do something more. Otherwise, I'm cutting it away. I'm putting the stop right there. Yeah. You know, we made maybe something around $100 or anything like that. I don't know. But it was not looking good. It's not looking good. So better out than sorry. If I expect something to happen and it's not happening during a specific time, it obviously communicates with me something else. Then I'm in a need of action, so I'm out. Sign up for the giveaway, guys. And of course, join our Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, daily, 8 AM EST time, with live trading, education, and of course, daily giveaways. Thinking about the way we're gonna organize it for tomorrow. Thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. Because I wanted to do a bigger account tomorrow. Tomorrow, or the way I do it. Let's see. A bigger giveaway for tomorrow. That's what I wanted to do. Minimum $200,000 or $250,000. Minimum. In a single day. We'll see. You know, it would be lovely for us to just rip to the upside for the daily opening 700s. You got the GDP 4.3%. Hey. You know, what do you think about this? Fake movement down, holding the markets here, choppiness, and then at the opening back to the same level. Right? That, you know, popular BART pattern could be, right? Like the video, guys, come on. YRM has an issue they posted about on the announcement tab just a couple of minutes ago. Their CEO, we're aware of the current issues with the checkout on the YRM website. We've already located the root cause, and the team is working on a fix. Right? So they're fixing it, guys. With a checkout, with a login, with everything. Ticktick Trader is in trouble, for sure. No responses, no official responses. Yet a lot of the people have problems. A lot of the people have problems. Even if I go to their server, look at that. I can't post. I'm timed out. For 21 days, I am timed out of Ticktick. I need to do the verification. I've applied my details for the verification. You know, their new rules are only the ones that are having active accounts can be part of their Discord. I got an active account, so I should be able. I did place my details for verification, but nothing happened. I'm still locked out. We're moving, guys. We're moving. Yeah. Funding takes... I would stay away from that company. I would stay away. As away as possible. We've got much better opportunities and options. At this time, Lucid Trading is top level along with YRM, top level, top 1 futures, Savius as well. These guys have no problems. And they're very, very comfortable in the current context of the market. You know, the competition is huge between the companies. And My Funded Futures is a decent company, yeah. Competition is huge, and the product needs to stand out at multiple layers, multiple levels, right? you need an extreme level of support. You need to pay out. As soon as the trader clicks that button, you gotta send his money or her money, because that's the way the business is going today, guys. As soon as you clicked for the payout, you gotta get surprised by the email of you've been paid on Rise. You gotta get surprised by that as soon as you click on that button. That's the industry standards today. It's no longer, 10 days or 12 days or 5, 6, 7, 8 days. It's not good. So the companies we're dealing with, we're working with, are on the same page. We're pretty flat here before the opening. Obviously, the market is preparing for a stronger reaction. It depends. Where's the money? Where's the liquidity and where's the money? That's the thing. It depends. Make sure to join our Discord as well, guys, and like the video. Daily giveaways. Yeah, Lucid Flex is no consistency unfunded, and it's just insane. Yesterday we qualified for a payout there. Today we have day number 4 on a different account. Tomorrow it's going to be the last day, day number 5. And we'll take max payout there too. Another account for the YRM tomorrow too. So big money, big deals. This week is about the payouts from what it looks like. There's about 80% chance this week we're securing 4 payouts in 3 trading days. And I think that's pretty juicy, right? Thank you, guys. Yep. Speaking about prop firms and educations, there's 2 minutes to go. Keep in mind, guys, we did have a nice chat in our community as well on Discord about prop firms and their possibility to generate sustainable income to go full-time trading on prop firm. So obviously, before you become a full-time trader, you need to have a level of statistics and data confirming the predictability of your future. Your future needs to be predicted by a certain level of security. You can't gamble. You can't put your future on a hope. We got a little long out here. In the meantime, just got into the last candle here a couple of seconds ago. I think the stop loss and break even. And Scrambo is leaving this one open for a runner. 16 minis on the New York session opening. Call me crazy, but I got my break even. And if this one rips 100 points on 16 minutes, how much money do we take, guys? 10 minis is $200 a point. 6 minis is 120 a point, right? And that's basically 320 bucks a point. 100 points is 32 grand. That's a little too much for consistency. 20% consistency. That's a little too much, guys. 30 seconds to go when the market opens. Hopefully we're not going to wick down. And we go straight up. Of course, this is just a hope. Could be far away from the reality, but I'm break even. And we got 1,400 bucks here profit, so I'm not that scared. And I'm ready to get back in my trade if needed. There you go. The market is opening, guys. We got a little bit lucky there for the moment. Look at that one. We got a little bit lucky there for the moment. We got a little bit lucky there for the moment. Scrambo's on fire. We got 10 grand. We sold something. We sold another one. We got a little bit lucky there. Look at my stop loss, guys. 37.5, and we wicked into 38. 2 ticks away from my stop loss. 2 ticks away. And then we exploded like this. We still have 6 minis, so I am selling 2 more. 2 more. And we're out here basically 2 ticks away. It hurts, but we got a lot of room. I'm out, fully out there. Daily net P&L, $15,000. Look at that one, guys. Daily net P&L, $15,000. Daily net P&L, 15 grand like that. Boom. Look at a candle we've got out here. We talked about it earlier. I show you this, guys. Right? And then back. Reverse Bart. Merry Christmas time. 15 grand profit. We made it today's high. We were 2 ticks away from the trailing stop. 2 ticks away. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. We passed 5 accounts on the challenge here, even though it was not really the most necessary, because I like to trade the instant funded, but we bought this experimental thing. Thank you. What do you guys think? Do we come all the way back? You know how the price section looks like in such days, right? Oops, no opening bell. But we got back in a trade stop loss and break even. Look at that one, guys. Still gonna trade this a little more. We have 16 grand here. We don't need that much basically because of the consistency. 16 grand profit on a 300k account. These ones are going to be heavily discounted in the next days. I'll come up with a promotion for Saviors. At the moment, I am heavily negotiating. I'm coming with a strong promotion for the 300k accounts in the next days. A promotion that has never ever been released. Right? And this is about the Saviors. I'll keep you posted. Coming back to 50%. No golden pocket touch. Could be. Could be and might be. I don't need that much. Yeah. There's going to be a massive Savius promo for the 300k account. A level of discount that has never ever seen before for the 300k. Never ever seen before. You just gotta get ready. 16 grand out here. Yeah. But it's a little too much for 20% consistency. Think about it. 16k profit, 20% consistency. Tell me the exact value I need. Dude, times 5. I'm shorting here 5 minis. 2 more. 7 minis short. $16,000 times 5, right? 80,000 totally. But we're gonna take it back, basically. We don't need 16 grand here. Obviously. We obviously do not need 16 grand here. So I better take it down, right? I better pull it down. You have your intraday stop drawdown sitting 290-500. Look at that one. It says, right? Intraday stop drawdown 290-500. Intraday. Stop drawdown. Look at that on the right side. You guys see it amongst the balances. 290-500. That's where it says. Yeah. We have DCA'd a little bit here. We have a massive inefficiency in that candle we spiked. 13 minis short. $17 short. Yeah. What do you guys think about leaving this one open till 6:45? 6:45 on my target. What do you guys think about? $6.45. Come on. I'm putting the stop loss right there. Break even or $600 profit or something like that. We touched the break even. $16 profit. We're sitting above the daily opening and this is looking pretty good. But there's so much room. You know, I'm gonna cut it away if... Let's see. Yeah. Added more to this. Added more to this. We're 9 minutes short. 15 minutes short. Come on. Give me that lovely pressure, guys. All the way down to 6:45. 18 minutes short. Give me that cliff, guys. Give me that cliff. Stop loss on break even right above the scandal. Give me that cliff, guys. Give me that cliff. I'm ready to take a nice shot here. Let's go, guys. 6:48 for my exit. Come on. Let's go. Make sure to like the video. We can pull the trigger. It's not looking bad. Nah, they bought it all the way back, you know. They bought it all the way back. We made something on it, right? But it actually could have been much better. Alright, guys, so time to advance. You know it's time to advance to giveaways. You actually know that. And we're gonna wrap up the things for today. So, what we actually realized today. Let's just sum up the things. First, YRM payout secured on 150k. Instant funded. We secured the first payout. 2,500 bucks today. Absolutely beautiful. Day number 9 secured on the second YRM account, 150k. Instant funded. So one more day is needed tomorrow of 150 bucks, or we could actually make a little more than that. But if I do 150 bucks, I'm gonna... No, I actually have to make a little more. Giveaway starts soon because of the consistency. But that's no problem, right? Lucid Flex day number 4 confirmed. One more day is needed and we're taking a payout from Lucid Flex, max payout 3,000. Tomorrow. So tomorrow is a day with a Christmas Eve, massive giveaways plus 2 accounts possibilities to take them to the payout stage. And that's where we are with today's activity. And now, it's time for me to set up the wheel, set up the pedal, guys. Very important. You know we've got a pedal below the desk controlling the wheel. We talked about it. Obviously, you don't have to believe me. We're joking. Come on, guys. So let me see, 180 of you have signed up. Still not bad, could be better. Could be better, but what can I do, right? The concerning stuff is 144 likes. That's the concerning stuff. And we're not starting the giveaway, yeah? We need more likes to start the giveaway. How to participate the giveaway. How to join. Listen up, chat. Listen up, chat. Listen up, chat. The first thing you gotta do is like the video. Come on, we're not gonna start with this number. I don't want to cancel the giveaway. We're not gonna start with this number. Come on. $125,000 ready to fly. But we need more likes, more people liking it. Including the bots, they should like the video as well. I know they're watching, enjoying. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, join our Discord, and make sure to complete the form we have. These are the things you gotta do, guys. The first giveaway is gonna be a 25k Top 1 Futures Ignite instant funded. $25,000 Top 1 Futures Ignite account instant funding. That's gonna be the first giveaway. Blessings as well from Puerto Rico. Adrian Lorenzo. There you go. The form is in our Discord and is pinned in the chat. So let me think about the numbers. We're gonna do 10 zeros. 10 zeros. 3 number 1, 3 number 2, and 3 number 3. That's the way the ratio is gonna be. You can start right now. Only a single guess. 10 zeros. 3 number 1, 3 number 2, 3 number 3. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Best of luck, guys. Keep it strong. It was a pretty strong day. Got paid. Big money on that. YRM producing, delivering, and moving money. Best of luck, everyone. Strembo coupon code has discounts. We're going to have videos posted on my channel soon about what's happening back and forth. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 2 more. Let me shuffle them this way. This is pretty good. Come on. Let's see if you get that number 2, Drake. Not that likely. Could it be the yellow number 1? It's not going to be the zeros, guys. I'm sorry for those of you going for the zeros. But could be the number 1. He just wants to have some chances. That's why probably he thought about a good strategy and he came up with this idea. Number 1, congratulations for the winners. Look at that one. Every number. A single guess per person, guys. Congratulations for the winners. $16 winners. Oh my god. 16 winners. So 16 guys competing. That's so unfair compared to other duck races. That's crazy, guys. We used to have 60, 70. Great fellas. You want to give it a try, Badger. You want to give it a try. You never know what comes out from the paddle. You never know. A system could be rigged. Look at that. Smooth operator pushing in and winning. Congratulations, Smooth. Smooth operator. We got you with this one. We're going to verify if you actually completed a form. So let's see, Smooth. Are you here? Yes, congratulations, buddy. Smooth operator. $25,000 instant funding account Ignite for the top 1 futures. Good job. Good job. That was extremely lucky out there. We got Steven. But I'd like to see the next one. I'd like to see the next one. Because now we're doing Lucid, guys. Time to do Lucid. Time to do the Lucid. 50k flex. Lucid 50k flex. This is the second giveaway. Yeah. Not too late. We got 2 more giveaways. Time for the Lucid. Let me think about. Jake, I'll give you a single number 2. A single number 2. If that hits, you deserve it. But let me think about the other numbers too. We're going to have 10 zeros. A single number 2. A single number 3. And we know why. And a triple 7. You can start right now. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. So we've got 10 zeros. A single number 2, a single number 3, and then triple 7. Triple lucky 7. You guys that are gambling will always go with the zeros, right? Actually, with a lucky 7, not with the zeros. The conservative approach. Yeah, 7 for gamblers for sure. 7 for gamblers. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Look at that. Mohammed is putting in all the numbers from 0 to 100, making sure we're not losing anything. Putting all the numbers. Look at that, Mohammed. All the numbers. At least he's giving it a try. I think I'm going to leave the stream open so he has time to put the numbers till 1,000, right? From 0 to 1,000. I'll leave the stream open from him and he's going to put the numbers to 1,000. Come on, guys, let's go. I'll just walk away and leave the chat open so he has time till New Year's Eve to put it to the million. If he does that, I promise he deserves an account, right? I'll leave the chat open and he's going to put the millions. So we're stopping right there. We're stopping right there. No more guesses, guys. Come on. Keep it strong. Keep it strong. Do we have the lucky 7? Or it's time for Jake to celebrate on that number 2. When the stop command hits, you should no longer put numbers, guys. Come on. It's very simple. I like to shuffle this one because I need to arrange these numbers in a way of playing the dirty. Look at that. We're playing the dirty here. This section. This section of the wheel has a lot of the zeros, but has a triple lucky 7. Pretty well diversified. You know, we usually do this technical analysis of the wheel with the stop losses, with all that. Good risk management here. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. All the numbers. Screw off them. So Mohammed, 5-minute timeout, making sure he's going to miss the next 10 minutes timeout, making sure he's going to miss the next giveaway. That's not the number 7, I think. I don't think that's the number 7, guys. I don't think. Unless my pedal works here for a break, but that's going to be pretty tight. Unless the pedal works here for the break, guys. And no, my gosh. Come on. Not today. Ho ho. Not today. That was so close. And this scenario was perfect for the lucky 7 gamblers, right? Perfect. You know, it's just like a gambling. you lose exactly on the line. That's when you lose. You play a game, it has a single chance of losing out of 100, and it always hits that single chance at the very limit. That's basically what happens here as well. Oh my gosh. So close, guys, to the lucky 7. But I promise you, the third giveaway is going to be a little bit different. We have another giveaway. 12 AC is out here. So 92 winners. Look at that one. These are the conservative. These guys are all profitable traders, successful guys. Conservative, of course. But you guys are going to compete for a lot. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Because you deserve a lot here. And this is a Lucid account. It's no joke. It's worth big money, right? Muhammad is timed out. He is timed out. He had a nice time, but I just timed out him. Just for 10 minutes, as much as it's needed to lose the next giveaway. That little time span of the next giveaway. Come on. He's in the race. Which means his first guess was the right number. Because we only take your first guess. So if you're guessing 100 numbers, we don't care about your next 99. We only take your first guess. And if your first guess is right, you're still going to be in the race. That's how the system is set up. First guess, that's the only thing that matters. Look at Mateo. Look at a trade max. And Mateo is pushing with a queen duck. But I'm gonna utilize the paddle soon. And the one that's leading will certainly get stopped out. We're gonna dump it. Put a roadblock somewhere. Come on. Look at a genius out there. Still 1 minute to go. Okyo, you're there with a bear duck. Looks like you've been shorting today the markets. Zmelescu is out there swimming. Mateo hitting stop. Destiny as well. Careful, guys. Stop losses are prepared. Do not lead right now if you want to win. Do not need purple ninja facts. Goodbye. Time to speed up. Tracy Will 12. Look at that. Speeding up. And there you go, Tracy. Congratulations, Tracy. Mr. Smith. Probably sweating around, hoping that Tracy did not fill up the form. Look at that one. That was pretty close, guys. So let's see. Let's see. Wait. Tracy, are you here? Yes. Tracy Will 12. Ho, congratulations for the Lucid. And it's time for the third giveaway. Think about it. Time for the third giveaway. And this is going to be YRM 50k. Another big one, guys. YRM 50k account. Another big one. Time for the third giveaway. Let me think about the way we organize this number. So we're going to do 10 sevens, number sevens. We're going to do 10 of them. And 5 zeros. That's all. That's all. You can start right now. 10, number 7, and 5 zeros. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. Only a single guess per person, and for those of you that have joined late, make sure to like this one. Come on. Stop right there, no more guesses. It's over for the third giveaway today. We're gonna shuffle this. This way. No, let me actually find another way. This way. This way. This is the final version. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. That's going to be the number 7. I'm telling you, we got them connected right there above the red 0. 100% it's going to be the 7. And if we have more than 100 winners, there's going to be the second duck race with a top 3. Keep that in mind. Lucky 7 out there. I think we're going to have more than 100. But let's see. You never know, right? Congratulations for the great fellas. Number 7 for the winners. Again, if there is more than 100, there's going to be 2 duck races, 2 rounds. Yeah, that's 105. Look at that. That's 105, so we are confirmed on 2 rounds. Which means for the first round, let me quickly ask you guys. Let me quickly ask you. Do you want to take... Let me create a pool. Wait, guys. Let me create a pool. Top 3 or top 5? Let me ask you guys in a pool. Top 3. Top 3 or top 5? Let me know what you guys think about. Once we have minimum 70 votes, I'm stopping it. At 70 votes, I'm stopping it. Top 3 or top 5? Let me know, guys. A minute and 30 seconds is going to be top 5. 86% for top 5. So we're going to pick up top 5 for the second round of the duck race. Best of luck, everyone. This is a YRM 50k account. Big money out there. Come on, guys. Who's going to win this race? Because it's not going to count exactly, Maddie. That's a good point. You know, this is the worst race to win, guys. It's not counting. Right? Top 5 is going to... This is the worst race to win. We're taking top 5 to the second round. So I'd like to see one of you guys pulling up. Come on. There's a lot of the guys to get stopped out. Look at how crowded. Mr. Smith is going to get stopped out. Mr. Smith, where are you running? Let's just stop him out. It's not working. Pedal is not working, guys. You got to speed up somehow. Well, we've got a few fellas out there. Crypto Game Co's. Look at that. Free Man, Tech for You, Jace, and Giselle Christina. Look at that one, guys. Congratulations for the winners. But now you want to keep up, guys, because, you know, Genius out there. Mr. Smith have good chances. Genius have good chances. Let's just take it one by one. Crypto Game. Yeah, Crypto Game Codes is here. Freeman is also here. Tech for You and Jace is here. Tech for You. Jace Trades is here. So the first 4 are here, and then Giselle, Christina. Giselle Christina is over here as well. So all of them, guys, are fully confirmed, right? All of them. All of them fully confirmed. All the 5. Genius, unfortunately. You are not onboarded. So we got a Crypto. We got a Freeman. We've got Tech for You, right? We got Jace and we've got Giselle. And we're going to have them in the following form. Competing for a minute. You guys are set. We're going to shuffle you. Let it fly. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. Yes, a single guess before every spin. Have a good day, guys. Thank you so much. There's 30 seconds to go, and it's definitely worth it to watch for the final winner. We got this top 5 running around. Multiplied, of course. We got 25 ducks. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Who's gonna win this? Tell me a name. Freeman? On a Superman? Are you there? Look at that one. Congratulations to the Freeman. He got it. Congratulations out there. Look at that one. Hey. That's big, guys. That's big. Thank you so much, guys. YRM 50k account winner out here. Winners, you gotta reach out to me on Discord. Have a great Christmas, buddy. Looking forward to it. Tomorrow is the last stream before we get into the Christmas and holiday time. We're also gonna do some streaming next week. Looking forward to it, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow. We're continuing. And I'll have more giveaways. We're going to do at least $200,000. At least 200 grand tomorrow. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much, guys. Big money on the table tomorrow. Keep that in mind. At least 200 grand. At least. Yeah. Sure. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the giveaway then. If you all come to the time the giveaway happens, we're gonna try to see if we do the giveaway a little earlier and mess it up, guys. What do you guys think about this idea? Should I mess up the schedule a little bit? No, we're gonna do it as usually. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We talk to you tomorrow. We keep up the channel.